Hello students, welcome back to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So we have come up with the sample question paper of Madras School of Economics. So it is question 28 which we are solving now. So let us read out the question. What is there? The managers of ITC Limited Kolkata, that is not registered under GST, are given 1 week training in Munnar by Infosys Limited Mangalore. Now for a sum of rupees 10 lakhs. Now payment given at Mumbai. So the place of supply of service will be where? So just now we have already solved the question. So from this what I can determine, do practice the theories also because their question more are those based. Okay. So under the GST law, the place of supply is determined based on the specific rules. What? Particularly for services like the training or coaching. Okay, so here according to the provisions, first it's that the location of the service recipient, that you can consider like if the recipient of the service is business, like here ITC Limited. So the place of supply of the service for training or coaching will generally be the location of the recipient. So that is where the place where the ITC Limited is located, and next it is the location of the service provider. Next we consider for the provider. So here in this case, where the service recipient suppose is an individual or a non-business entity. So the place of supply may be determined by the location of the provider. Now here the training service is where it is provided by the Infosys Limited, that is Bangalore, to the managers of Infosys Limited in Kolkata. So now since ITC Limited, so Infosys Limited Bangalore is giving to ITC Limited Kolkata. So ITC Limited is a business and the service is being provided to them for training. So the place of supply is determined by the location of the recipient. So here the answer will be B, Kolkata, the correct answer. Next question we are having in series 29, JI stands for, and it is managed by whom? So it is basically JI stands for the Jan Ayushman Yojana. So JAN stands for Jan Ayushman Yojana. So here it is a health insurance scheme. Health insurance scheme. So it aimed at providing financial, first it gives financial protection. Second, it for the basically for the underprivileged, that we have to keep in mind. For the underprivileged, particularly focusing on what? Health and needs of the economically vulnerable. So the scheme is managed by whom? The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So the correct option is D, Jan Ayushman Yojana, and it is managed by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Next question we are having on Operation Barga. So Operation Barga is connected with the land reform movement in Bihar, or is land reform movement in West Bengal, or land reform movement in Punjab, or terrorist operation in Punjab. So Operation Barga was a land reform initiative that was implemented in West Bengal in 1970s. And what was the objective? The objective was to record the tenancy of sharecroppers and provide them with legal rights to the land they were working on. So this was part of the broader effort. Basically the key features are that the tenants or the sharecroppers, they were recognized as landowners. Okay, and the operation aimed basically to improve the agricultural productivity. Second, welfare of the rural population by securing land right for tenants. So it was basically land reform movement in West Bengal. Option B is your correct answer. Keep watching. We will complete all the questions together and tell us on this number provided to you with the screen that if you are having any problem and you want any guidance regarding any examination.